In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect hosting your domain to GitHub pages, step by step. We'll start inside your GitHub repository. Open github.com, go to the repo that hosts your site, and head to Settings. In the left sidebar, under Code and Automation, click Pages. You should see your site is already live on the default GitHub subdomain. That's great for testing. Now we'll attach your custom domain. On the Pages screen, scroll to the Custom Domain section. In the box, type your domain with the www prefix, like www.yourdomain.com, then click Save. GitHub will begin checking DNS. You'll see a notice that it's scanning for the required records, which we're about to add in Hostinger. To know exactly which records you need, click the link that says Learn more about configuring custom domains. On the GitHub docs page, open Managing a Custom Domain for your GitHub Pages site and scroll until you find the section with the A records and the CNAME record. We need 4 A records for the Apex domain and 1 CNAME for the www host. Now switch to your Hostinger account and open your domains management area. Go to Domains or Domain Portfolio, select your domain, then open DNS or Name Servers, and choose Manage DNS Records. First, look for any existing A records at the root, often shown as the name @g. If you see conflicting A records, delete them so they don't override GitHub's IPs. Add 4 A records, all with the name set to @ch. For each one, paste a different GitHub IP address from the docs page, then save. Hostinger may warn that you're adding multiple A records. That's expected here. When you're done, you should see 4 A records pointing to the GitHub pages IPs. Next, add the CNAME. Create a new CNAME record with the name set to www and set the target to your GitHub username followed by .github.io. For example, yourusername.github.io. Save the record. Return to the GitHub pages settings and refresh the page. After DNS propagates, the check should turn successful, and your custom domain link will open your GitHub pages site. DNS can take a bit to update globally, often minutes, sometimes a couple of hours, so don't worry if it isn't instant. Finally, once GitHub finishes issuing the SSL certificate, enable Enforce HTTPS in the pages settings. If that toggle isn't clickable right away, give it a little more time and try again. That's all you need to connect your Hostinger domain to GitHub pages. Enjoy your custom domain on a fast, reliable static site.